Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. In today's guide, we're diving into how you can run a Nexus node on your laptop or PC in 2025. Whether you're supporting decentralization, earning interest key, or just exploring blockchain tags, setting up a node is a smart way to get involved. And I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is head over to the official Nexus website, that's nexusearth.com, and download the Nexus wallet for your operating system. They've got version for Windows, macOS, and Linux, so pick what suits for your setup. Once you've installed the wallet, launch it. And here's the key part. The wallet automatically acts as a full node. That means it starts syncing the Nexus blockchain from the scratch, which could take some time depending on your internet speed and device performance. Make sure your laptop or PC is plugged in and has enough storage. Syncing can take up to 10 of gigabytes. While syncing, go ahead and create your Nexus account. This is where you're generating or your signature chain or sync chain, which is how Nexus keeps everything secure. It's also how you'll later be able to stake coins or contribute more actively for the network. If you're on the Linux or just prefer command line, you can compile the Nexus daemon directly from your source using your app. Clone the official repo and install dependencies like Boost, CMake, and OpenSSL, and then build the wallet using Make. Once that's gone, just run Nexus daemon to get your node live. One more tip. To help the network even more, you can use enable UPnP in your router or forward ports 9325 manually to allow inbound connections. This boosts the connectivity and helps decentralize the network further. And that's it. Your Nexus node is now up and running on your laptop or PC. You're officially a part of the blockchain movement right from your desktop. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, be sure to hit that like button, drop any questions down below, and subscribe so you don't miss any out future blockchain and crypto talk videos. See you in next one.